Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just here to do like a little, I would say like review on this hair. It's like an updated review. This definitely won't be like the last video that I'll be doing, but I have been wearing this hair off and on, and I just want to come on here and I want to show you guys how I manipulate it on a day-to-day basis and just all that jazz. Okay, so the hair that I'm going to be wearing, the hair that I am going to be wearing and showing you all how to kind of manipulate will be the Dsoar hair. This hair looks like this. This is after a really long day and it's been in a ponytail. That's pretty much how I wear it most of the time. Sometimes I wear it down, but when I'm at work, it's mostly in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna show you all how I manipulate it whenever I do wear it down. Okay, so this company is called Dsoar Hair. Okay, I'm looking down at my phone so I can see all the specs. I have the links 20, 22, 24, and 26. The actual hair type is Brazilian natural wave. Okay, and this is a closure, not a frontal. So I'm just gonna be using my wig grip. Okay, sometimes I use the wig grip and sometimes I use little got-to-be glue. It all depends on what type of day I'm going to be having. If I'm not going to be doing like anything too hard or strenuous and it's not going to be too hot, then I'll use this. But if I feel like I'm going to be doing a lot, then I'll use the gel and the spray. Okay, so just going to pull this stocking cap up. Now, some things that I have noticed from wearing this hair, okay, for the past like week and a half, this hair gets pretty dry, so you need to make sure you put some type of like serum in the hair. Okay, so just be mindful of that. The hair gets dry, and also my longest length is supposed to be 26 inches. I think, is that what I just said? It's supposed to be, it's 26 inches, but I had to cut it up to like, I would say this is probably like a 24, because the 26 inch had like no curl. It was like straight and it looked really like straggly and ugly, so I did have to cut it up. Okay, so that's why it kind of looks a little bit, so like I was saying in my last clip, I did have to cut the hair shorter because that 26 inch, and I've noticed this a lot about companies, that when they send you like longer lengths, this is conditioner and water in the spray bottle. Just any type of conditioner, it does not matter what kind, you don't have to get particular. Just like dollar conditioner with water. So anyways, I noticed that when companies send you longer lengths and you get like curly hair or like wavy hair, sometimes it doesn't match, or maybe it's just me, like that longer bundle does not match and it's not as curly as the other one. It just doesn't look right, and you have to end up cutting off your length. Like, you pay for the length to cut it off, so I had to cut mine down because it wasn't popping, it wasn't working. So I had to cut mine up from a 26 to about a 24. I would say it's all like one length. But yeah, that bottom piece, it was looking too wretched. So I'm just gonna, this is like my daily routine. Okay, I just even if I'm throwing it back in a ponytail, I'm just going to hydrate it with a little bit of the water and conditioner. Okay, and just run my fingers through it. I don't really do it with a brush because like I just don't. And I don't spray a whole bunch of this. I just do enough to kind of hydrate the curls. Okay, and as you can see, I have not done a lot, and this is already like, you know, should pop it. Okay, so this is this side. All right, there's no serum, no nothing in it, just this water and conditioner. Okay, it's like magic in a bottle. Okay, so so the next step that I'm going to do, now sometimes I add some of this pink serum. Okay, it's a little shine spray. I don't really need it today. Like, I think that the hair has a natural like luster and I think it looks good, but if the hair was like really dry today, I feel like it was dry and I wanted it to look more like something, then I would add some serum, but I don't have to. Now the next step that I'm going to do is, has a lash on it. I was looking for those lashes. I'm gonna add this Eco Gel, okay? I know y'all be saying Eco Gel is canceled, but it ain't canceled for me. I spent good money for this bottle of gel, and I'm gonna use the whole thing. So I'm going, my baby hairs are already kind of, you know, laid, but I'm gonna put a little bit more gel on them to kind of lay them however, you know, they kind of flowing their own way. So I'm gonna just let them do what they do. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I do. And the only products I used was my spray bottle with water and conditioner. Does not matter what kind of conditioner, because I know y'all gonna ask. And I use the Eco Gel in the green, okay? So that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, I don't really go in with a whole bunch of products. On this particular hair, I don't go in with a whole bunch of products, a whole bunch of mousse and all this stuff, because this hair really doesn't need it, okay? As y'all see, I shook it back in what, 2.5 seconds, okay? So this is like out the door hair. Y'all see what I look like when I first got on here? This is out the door hair. You just boom, 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 you gone, okay? It ain't nothing too hard. But this hair is gonna require some type of manipulation. This is the manipulation that it's gonna require. Nothing like I keep saying, it's nothing crazy. Now my little update on this hair would be, I like it. It does get pretty dry. That's why I keep my serum handy. I got my serum from Walmart. I think it was like $5 or $6. You can use whatever you like, Oregon oil, whatever floats your boat. Okay, so it does get a little dry. It kind of gets a little tangly sometimes, so just make sure when you do your manipulation, kind of, if it's too tangly, go through with just like a wig brush or something and kind of comb it out, and it should be fine. But the hair has been doing good. It's been doing great since I cut those ends. Everything has been looking really, really good. I love this wave. So this is the natural wave right here, and these are the 4 bundles. I did fit all 4 bundles in my head. You can definitely get away with 3 bundles as long as you're not getting any like longer lengths. Now if you're getting like 26, 28, things like that, yes, get more than 3 bundles because you don't want your hair to look skimpy. But if you're not getting that many bundles, then long lengths, then you definitely don't have to get 4 bundles, okay? But yeah, this is what we're looking like. And like I said, so far I've been loving it. I will be coming back with a update. Also, I will be linking a video down below of how I made this wig from start to finish, so y'all can see how I made it. This is a sew unit. Anyways, I think that's pretty much it, and I covered all bases. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to y'all in my next video.